For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a demolition business can be a rewarding venture if you have the right knowledge, skills, and resources. The demolition industry involves tearing down buildings and structures safely and efficiently, often preparing sites for new construction or land development. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline your startup process, from planning and marketing to operations and customer engagement. This guide will walk you through each step of launching your demolition business with the help of free AI. Step 1. Research and understand the demolition industry. Begin by gathering information about the demolition business, including types of demolition, residential, commercial, industrial, equipment requirements, safety regulations, and licensing needs. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to quickly learn about industry standards, local legal requirements, and market demand. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Explain the key regulations, permits, and equipment needed to start a demolition business in your location. Include common safety practices and industry challenges. This step sets a solid foundation for your business by making sure you know what is expected and what hurdles you may face. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A well-structured business plan is essential to guide your startup process and attract investors or loans. Use AI writing assistants, such as ChatGPT, to draft a professional business plan. Specify your target market, services offered, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed business plan outline for a demolition company targeting residential and commercial clients. Include sections for marketing strategy, operations, staffing, and budgeting. This draft can then be refined manually or with additional AI assistance, making the business planning phase faster and more efficient. Step 3. Identify your equipment and resource needs. Demolition requires specialized equipment like excavators, wrecking balls, bulldozers, and safety gear. Use AI tools like Google Bard or ChatGPT to generate a list of essential equipment based on the scale and type of demolition services you plan to offer. These tools can also help you estimate costs and explore rental versus purchase options. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. List the essential demolition equipment for a small to medium-scale demolition business and provide pros and cons of renting versus buying. With this information, you can budget accordingly and source equipment strategically. Step 4. Handle licensing, permits, and insurance. Securing the correct licenses and permits is critical for legal compliance and safety. Use AI-driven web search tools to find specific requirements for your region. Many free AI chatbots can help you navigate government websites and summarize key points. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. What are the typical permits and insurance requirements for a demolition company in your location? Explain the application process and approximate costs. Insurance is particularly important due to the risks involved in demolition. Consider consulting with insurance providers who specialize in construction and demolition. Step 5. Develop a marketing plan using AI. To attract clients, you need a targeted marketing plan. Use AI marketing assistants like ChatGPT to help create a compelling marketing strategy focused on your niche. AI can generate ideas for branding, online presence, social media campaigns, and local advertising. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new demolition business targeting residential and commercial clients. Suggest digital marketing strategies, local advertising ideas, and partnerships. Step 6. Build an online presence. An effective online presence increases your business's visibility. Use AI tools such as Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Bookmark to create a free, professional-looking website quickly. These platforms use AI to design layouts and generate content based on your inputs. Suggested prompt for AI website builders. I want a demolition company website highlighting services, safety standards, and contact info. Generate website content emphasizing reliability and professionalism. For social media, you can use AI tools like Canva's free design platform combined with ChatGPT to create engaging posts, advertisements, and graphics. Step 7. Set up customer relationship management, CRM, and communication. Free AI-powered CRM platforms like HubSpot CRM can help manage leads, customer communication, and scheduling. These tools often include AI chatbots and email automation features to keep in touch with prospects and clients efficiently. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for email templates. Write professional email templates for following up with potential demolition clients, scheduling consultations, and providing quotes. Step 8. Plan operational workflow and safety protocols. Demolition work requires strict operational planning and safety measures. Use AI to draft standard operating procedures, SOPs, and safety guidelines. ChatGPT can help write detailed workflows and checklists tailored to your specific demolition activities. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Create a standard operating procedure for a demolition crew, focusing on site preparation, equipment use, debris disposal, and worker safety. AI can also assist in creating training materials or safety briefing documents to keep your team compliant with industry standards. Step 9. Manage finances and accounting. Use free AI-based finance tools like Wave Accounting or ZipBooks for bookkeeping, invoicing, and budgeting. While these aren't AI chatbots, they use AI-driven automation to reduce manual data entry and generate financial reports. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Explain how to set up bookkeeping for a demolition business and track expenses, payroll, and project costs efficiently. Step 10. Network and build partnerships using AI. AI-powered platforms like LinkedIn's AI Assistant or ChatGPT can help draft outreach messages for potential suppliers, contractors, or local business partners. Forming strategic partnerships can help you secure contracts or share resources. Suggested ChatGPT prompt. Write a professional LinkedIn message introducing a new demolition company and proposing collaboration with construction firms or real estate developers. Conclusion. Starting a demolition business can be complex, but free AI tools can simplify many of the critical steps. From industry research and business planning to marketing, operations, and customer management, AI accelerates your progress and enhances your professionalism without hefty upfront costs. By following this step-by-step guide and leveraging AI capabilities, you will position your demolition business for a safer, more efficient, and successful launch. As you grow, continue exploring AI innovations to stay competitive and streamline your workflows further. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.